People often ask, what is WSL? WSL is a Windows-based, Linux-based subsystem. Let's see what we can do with it. First of all, we have to configure WSL in our system. For this purpose, one should enable its feature in Windows. Open the Add or Remove Windows feature. Enable the Windows subsystem for Linux and, if possible, Hyper-V. Let the window add features and, if required, restart it. Have fun during that time. Now open the Microsoft Store and install your favorite Linux terminal. However, I recommend Ubuntu because of its popularity and a lot of help.
There's no way to explain all the things I feel. I feel weak, I feel weird, just like I'm not even real.
After downloading, open it up, and if it says some error came up, go to the provided link in the Ubuntu terminal and download the missing dependency from Microsoft. After installing, your WSL terminal is ready to use. Now WSL is basically a Linux system, which gives you a total Linux terminal. Enjoy your Linux experience on Windows. If you liked the video, tell me in the comment. Till then, keep learning and exploring. Hit the like button and subscribe the channel to stay tuned.